The ability to communicate anywhere and exchange information online is becoming essential for business, public safety, government, health, and education. Broadband makes this possible with an always-on, high-speed connection that can simultaneously handle video, voice, and data communications. Every day, the volume and value of information exchanged online expands, and those without access to broadband internet are being left behind. Broadband opens opportunities that would otherwise not be possible. With broadband, Idaho can attract and retain businesses that need access to national and international markets. For example, with broadband, an aircraft maker in northern Idaho can transmit plans to a client anywhere in the world. Citizens and organizations in eastern Idaho can communicate with their legislators and participate in the political process remotely using video conferencing. More people in all parts of Idaho will have better access to medical care. Rural residents will not need to travel long distances to receive care. Doctors can provide home-based health monitoring for patients with chronic conditions. These are just several examples of the new possibilities enabled by broadband. Idaho has made strides towards extending high-speed broadband connections throughout the state. However, recent U.S. Census data indicates only 67% of Idaho households have broadband access at home. There are many reasons why a significant number of people in Idaho still do not access broadband. Broadband is not available in every location. Some people are unaware of how broadband could benefit them. Some perceive the cost of broadband access as too high. Others do not have a computer or broadband-enabled device, and some may lack the skills and knowledge to use broadband services. Idaho has launched a new initiative to expand the availability and use of broadband to improve business competitiveness, strengthen education, promote better access to healthcare, enhance the efficiency of government and public safety, and improve overall quality of life throughout the state. This new initiative, known as Link Idaho, is an opportunity for you to join with friends and neighbors to help make Idaho a stronger, healthier, and better educated state.